Please tell me. I will be happy. Okay. Please share my video, like, share, subscribe. Okay. Now pile 2. You have let love. You have give your relationship a chance. You have don't daydream, see the reality. Grief, mental blockage is stopping you from achieving success. You have reconciliation. Let love come first, else ego will surface it. Wait for confession. Okay. And you have yes, yes, after some time you have tell your parents and wait for 3 months. Hate your defensiveness and bully you after marriage. And think, analyze before action. No big step without parents permission. You have don't be fooled, don't believe backdoor commitments. Marriage proposal ultimately come. Who are you? Take advice from the elders. Avoid friends and gossips. I respect you but I'm mad about you. You have no. You have don't wait. You have caution, passion. Don't enter new life without permission of elders. You have hate your defensiveness, revenge, danger, no marriage. Then you have I want to kill. So it's a messy reading, but I'll sort out. So you have, let me start from this card. Okay. You have don't daydream, see the realities. And grief means they have done something shitty, misbehave you. They have misbehaved with you. They have grief about you, and now you are wondering, is this person the right guy for me? And so you have blockages, mental blockages, that's which is stopping you from to achieve success in your relationship. But the advice is that you should not confess that you do love or anything. Let them confess, otherwise the ego will surface. Since they have misbehaved with you, they are not too good person. You are getting me? So better give your relationship a chance, but don't bend. Okay. Reconciliation is ahead, so don't worry that if I don't do this and that, the relation will break. If you are not wrong, don't bend. Okay. So you have passion, but you have lots of passion, but don't enter without elders permission, because it may be possibly a revenge type of thing that they want to take to you because you rejected them at some point of time. So take advice from your parents, wait for 3 months, and avoid friends and gossips. Don't share your problem with your friends. Take advice from the elders though. Okay. Take advice from your elders. They are gonna marry you and bully you after marriage, but I don't know, I'm not getting good vibes. So they will be quarreling, but they don't hate you. So they love you, but this guy is a frustrated type of guy. You will have to make them polite with your behavior, to make them believe that you have loved them at some point of time before marriage too. You love them right now after marriage, but you have loved them before also. It was their behavior that was blocking you. Okay. And think, analyze, and don't take big step without parents permission. Again it's coming. Don't do anything out of passion. Okay. Because this guy wants to kiss you, wants to hug you, but at the same time he is mad about you. He respects you, but he is mad about you, so he doesn't know what next step he is going to do. And to pursue you, he is giving many backdoor commitments, but though they will marry you, but they are hasting things, so they might do anything nasty, I can't say nasty, but foolish, which will cost your pride. Okay, so you better you take your pride seriously, your respect, self-respect seriously, because he will not do it intentionally, but he will do it out of haste. Okay, so he is quarreling with you, he is saying don't wait for me, it's done. It's since you are not giving anything into the relationship or any advantage to me, or you are not deciding, you are not moving ahead, so I don't know who are you, go get lost, I'm not going to marry you, nothing is in between us. But after some time everything will sort out, and yes, there is a marriage, since marriage card came before. Bully you after marriage. Okay, bully you after marriage, there's it's a marriage card, but condition, what will be the condition or outcome of the marriage, it's shown in here. So congrats, you have a marriage ahead, you will get your reconciliation, your marriage, happy married life. But there is only problem is, let them sort out things and confess to you first. And after marriage also you will have to work a little bit, you will have to make him believe that you loved him before marriage too. It's his big frustration, matter of frustration. Okay, so if you like the reading, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and okay, you will, if hit the notification bell, so you can get notification about my latest videos. And thank you, love and light.